Sarap yan.
Ba talaga parang pinaganda mo ah.
Oo, kompleto yan. Diba naman?
Okay.
May mga kompiyartos pa. Are you ready, bossing, for my very special treat?
Oh, yes girl. I'm
Eto,
excited.
excited?
Sabi ko nga kanina, mas excited ako rito.
Okay. Eto, first batch ha. I tried my best. Nakita mo naman, lalagyan pa lang. Special na. Bayong na may ribbon.
Environment friendly.
Correct.
That's good, that's good.
Una, Cropek. Masarap yan. Mani, sungsung.
Isang balot lang.
Oo, hindi. Para sa inyo lang eh. Tapos, kanina sa barangay, dumaan ako sa bakery. Putok.
Hindi kaya ako putukan dyan.
May chance. Spanish bread.
Grabe.
Bossing talagang binasag kong alkansya ko dito ah.
Natatouch ako.
Natatouch ka. Ito, hopya.
Ano yan?
Hopya. Hopya ang
Para
baboy.
pandikoko yan eh. Ano na yun?
Pandikoko. Ayun.
Puro pampahirin yung... Ano.
Balot.
May
3
balot pa.
pieces. Oo.
3 piraso. Grabe, galante nito.
Siyempre, one for you, one for me.
Oh.
Diba?
Ang liit pa nung saging mo.
Yan lang yung kinayo ng budget, boss.
This is it.
Wait lang. Siyempre, may special. There's more.
There's more. Ah,
Yes.
ito. Pwede na to. Okay.
Ha? Baka kasi pangilinan ka. Ha?
Nasa malamig.
Malamig.
Grabe ka, Paolo. Grabe.
Ako nagtimpla niya.
Ikaw ang nagtimpla niyan. Ah. Parang malaki ginastos mo rito. Ah.
Malamang, bulaklak pa lang. Ang mahal itong bulaklak na to eh.
Ang tabang pa.
And here's my special hinanda. Pinag-ipunan ko talaga yan para sa inyo, bossing. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let me hear you say, yeah!
Yeah!
Crispy Pata!
Parang na-slice pa yung crispy pat.
Iyan lang yung kinaya. Kalahating order lang yan, boss.
Kalahating order.
Bakit? Malakas ka ba sa crispy pata?
Hindi. Kasing kunat na ng mukha mo to eh.
Kanina pa kasi yan eh.
Anyway, ayos na rin yan. Thank you, Paolo. Napakagalante mo, grabe.
Saan lang yan, bossing, ha?
Oo.
Kaya,
Sige.
eto, habang magmimerienda kami ni Bossing, sama-sama nating panoorin ang mga production numbers ni Jose at Wally na hindi nila nagawa sa Araneta Coliseum. Mga Dabber Cats, live sa EB Concert Stage. Eto na mga Comedy Concert Kings, Jose and Wally! Wala kami dyan! Dito kami!
Kahit pati yung mga model, inaalok mo.
Hindi baka mukhang puhaw eh.
Akin lang to eh. Yun eh, kung matatanggal ha.
Ayun lang.
Talaga.
Mga 2 days.
Are you ready? Everybody say. Everybody here now. Come on now.
Yeah.
Everybody say, yo! Hey, oh!
Move your body out of the door. Drop aside, start leaving.
Everybody, can let go. Throw away your trouble. We're now the party time. Let it drink. Set the weed. Get your bottle. After me. Under glasses. And other people. And everybody put your hands in the air. Hey, yeah, yeah. Girl, I wanna lay, yeah, yeah. I wanna see you tonight. Hey, yeah, yeah.
Girl, I wanna lay, yeah, yeah. I gotta see you tonight.
Hey, yeah, yeah.
Girl, I wanna lay, yeah, yeah. I wanna see you tonight.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Come on.
Girl, I wanna lay, yeah, yeah. Palitan mo
Wanna see
na.
you tonight. Yo, yo. Ibigay mo na.
Palitan mo na.
Ibigay mo na. Ako na lang ang gawin mo, Papa, para hindi ka na umasa-asa sa babaero mo, Papa. Sa Papa. Balikan mo na! Sana, Papa, ako na lang ang gawin mo, Papa, para hindi ka na umasa-asa sa babaero mo, Papa. Papa, balikan mo na! Eh, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Manager. Manager, bossing. Manager, bossing. Kamusta naman ang mga merienda mo dyan? Okay lang?
Masarap.
Okay ba yung hinanda ni Maku? Medyo hindi.
Very light.
Paolo, patikim din mamaya, ha?
Oo, sige.
Mukhang nag-i-enjoy si Bossing, nakakaingit.
Mga Dabar Gods, before we produce to our next number,
Ayan, ayan.
we produce.
Proceed.
Proceed.
Baka proceed.
Okay, proceed. Because we proceed to our next number.
Uh-huh.
Manager, baka gusto mong sumama sa amin.
Would you like to join us, man, huh? Come on, manager.
Sama ka sa amin!
Would you like... Come on, join us.
Sama ka na sa amin. Gusto niyo ba kasama si
Do you
Manager?
want manager to join us?
Wala naman sa usapan yan eh. Kayo mag-concert eh.
Manager, the people wants...
Look, hey guys. I'm here with my girl, okay?
Yeah.
We're having a merienda here
Yeah, you're having a merienda.
while watching the concert.
Yeah, you're watching the concert. Every time you have a surprise, you surprise us. Now, we are surprise you.
Come on.
Besides, I'm not ready.
Oh, no
It's
problem,
okay.
no
I did not
problem.
practice. I did not rehearse. I don't know what to sing.
No, all you have to
The
do
people want to
just
see us sing.
follow us, okay? You just follow us. You want manager? You want bossing?
They want you, Bossing.
Come on,
what
the
are we
people
gonna do now?
shocking.
Ano?
Yung sumisigaw.
Shocking? Shouting?
Oh, shouting.
Sana, you should have told me. I could have Ready?
No problem. You surprise us, and now we surprise you.
Yeah, are you thinking of your costume or it's okay, that's okay, that's
Because
okay.
you guys are very summery looking.
No, it's not summering. It's really hot.
Then
My
I will
costume
sing
is hot.
with you like this.
No problem.
As I said, I'm not ready.
You're not ready, okay? Manager not ready.
Oh,
So what we will do now?
I don't know. It's look at that.
Okay, manager is not ready.
Alam ko ba hindi ready?
You're not ready.
I thought you're not.
It's a good thing. I have a summer outfit
Inside.
under.
I like your underwear.
Paano na lang kung nag-ready pa si Bossing?
You're really close like to Dolphy, huh?
What will we do?
Thank you very much.
Hey, wait. I'm really not ready.
You're not ready. You wearing Bruno Mars-ing?
Bruno Mars.
Oh, what will we do?
No, we
We're
sing.
going to sing.
I did not rehearse.
Come on. Okay, all you have to do.
It's just jamming.
You sing and then I'll just join.
We'll go first.
Okay, you
We'll go
join.
Is
first.
that okay
Alright.
with you guys?
Okay,
first.
we sing,
All right.
you join.
Yeah, you sing. I'll just join.
You don't know the song?
I'm not ready.
Okay, I teach you the lyrics later, okay? All right then? Music, Kimpoy.
Come on. Hit it, maestro.
What's the song?
Come on, come on.
What
We'll sing. The song goes like
Come on.
this. Okay?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you go first. You go first, okay? What? That's it?
Everybody's got a prize. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the tail comes first and the two comes second, just
What happened?
Hey, manager,
They stop.
why you stop
You told them to just to stop?
Because you said stop.
That's the lyrics of the song?
Yeah, that's
Your banda is masunurin.
You're making utos-utos to stop.
No, because you said stop.